Hey guys, we're in the lava world with.
Hold on, have you been in here before?
No, this is my first time.
Never?
Yeah.
Okay, well, watch out because there's gonna be like flying.
Yeah, I know the little zombie things. I've heard about it.
Yeah, the flying robots. Okay, let's go try and get some lava ores.
We're a bit. In case they come, I have a gun or an axe.
Oh no!
Oh my god, I almost dead.
God, wait, there's a
Are they
lava
even here? Are they even here?
Yeah, they are. Oh, snap, one's pointing.
Oh, run. Oh, I see a research point. Oh shit, it's pointing at me. It's still pointing at me.
What are you talking about?
Not pointing at me anymore.
Pink is back.
No, I just saw I see a research point. Bro, I see. Oh fuck. Yo, kill the monster.
Get the pink cat. I hit Pink, but it wasn't enough to kill him. Don't worry, we'll get ready.
Yo, kill the monster. I'm gonna sacrifice myself.
Everybody, I have.
Doesn't seem. Oh, I see lava ore. I see lava ore a ton.
You get.
Oh, he got me. He's looking at me.
Everyone. I'm coming back, bro. It shouldn't take. Chloe's back. Chloe's back. Chloe's back.
He's in close. It's not clear.
Run me. Just to remember to its first extent. Get Pink, go! I mean, get one! No.
My God, this guy's so annoying. And actually, I hate the eggs. There's okay, skirt. I just want to get out of here. I think that's the escape.
Guys,
Oh my. I don't know if that's the escape.
okay, let's go to the celebrate.
I think I see the escape.
I demand to know who hit me. Oh, I already friended you.
After I get the research point, I'm just gonna die because I don't really know where to leave. Because this is my first time ever being in the lava world. Double check. I'm just gonna check if that's the exit. is that? I think that is the way out. Who knows? Maybe it isn't. It's not my fault. It's not my fault if I die. Oh wait, is it? It was! Yo! Let's go. Hope you guys had a fun time. And now I'll see ya. Peace!
Hey, you, can I have it?
Yeah.